All right, traders, welcome back to another VIP trade. This was a free VIP trade that I just sent. Hold on. This coffee is a little weak, but I'm gonna go through my thought process on why I shorted the Aussie versus the US dollar. Now, first of all, I want to look at the higher time frames. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look quickly at the 1 hour chart, the top right chart on my screen, and just have a look at this key level that I'm looking at right now, right here. This is the key level that I'm looking at, right? I'm not going to zoom in on my chart because I want you to notice the what I'm looking at, right? So this is a massive, massive key level on the daily, right? Which price has retested and has retested as as support, which means that big buyers were placed in here about exactly 1, 2, 3, and 4 times since September 2020, right? This was heavy big sell zone positioning from December 2019 until when it was broken with on July 2020. So this entire period of time, was sell zone, which means that sell orders were positioned here. Now we have buy orders positioned here after we broke to the upside, and now the sentiment of the market has shifted, right? Big orders were placed here, which means that big buyers were protecting that zone. But if we zoom a little bit, you notice that yesterday price broke with that zone clearly, and the daily candle closed below the previous two lows. That is extremely bearish. So that's why I'm looking for sell opportunities here. Now, this is the 1 hour chart. I'm going to go quickly to the 50-minute chart just to give you a, a broader idea of what I'm looking at. This is that massive level on the daily, right? The green line. Let me just thicken this line out for you. Actually, I'm just going to dash it. No, I'm going to thicken it. And I'm going to use another color, the yellow color. So this is what I'm looking at, right? On the shorter time frames, and as you can see, my trade is running in profit at the moment, right? So kudos to everybody who took it. What I'm looking at here is a simple flag breakout, guys. A simple flag breakout here on the Aussie US dollar, right? A simple flag breakout on the Aussie US dollar from the previous broken lows. So price heavily closed. This is yesterday's closed right here, pointing it out. Then price moved up, right, and retested those previous broken lows. And now I am just printing money by selling that flag on the direction of the market, right? Even if you trade the 50-minute chart, you have to look at, and you have to you have to have a good bias on on your trades, right? I'm not going to start trying to look for longs here because that absolutely makes no sense given the fact everything that I just told you, right? This is a sell opportunity and a sell only. So my trade is basically selling short, going short at the break of the structure with my stop losses above the structure's highs, and I am targeting the 161.8 of the flag, which would in fact, or the 161.8 actually of today's range, which would be around that zone right here for a nice 1.8 risk to reward ratio. So basically this trade is going to yield for me and for everyone who took it with me about 80 pips. So that's a clean trade. This is how we trade on Learn to Trade. If you want to join us, I have a 21% discount for you. if you use the code VIP21 at the checkout. That's VIP21 at the checkout for a 21% discount on our VIP subscription, and you can have access to a VIP group where we send this kind of trades every single day, right? So that's the Aussie USD. That's how I found this trade, and that's how I'm trading it.